Good afternoon, students. Today we will see the different reactions of aromatic acid and how to prepare the aromatic acid. Okay, that is preparation reaction. After watching a complete video, student can explain different preparation reactions for the aromatic acids. Then which type of reactions can undergoes the aromatic acid and what are the applications of that aromatic acid reactions. Okay, now let's start the video. First of all, we will see the zwitterion concept. What is the zwitterion? Zwitterion, you must be this term is heard in your biochemistry. Why in biochemistry? Because most of the amino acid or all the amino acids which have the amino functional group and carboxylic acid functional group, that is COOH at the tail and NH2 at the head. So this both group NH2 and this COOH, they can possess some charge, some charge like either positive charge or negative charge. Like in the NH2 which prefers positive charge and COOH which possess COO minus as a negative charge. Now we will heard the zwitterion concept. Means this amino acids both charges like positive and negative charges at a time, which becomes neutral. Okay, now zwitterion from German zwitter meaning hermaphrodite, formerly called as dipolar ion, is a neutral molecule with both positive and negative electrical charges. In some cases, multiple positive and negative charges may be present. Means at one time or this particular compound which possesses both charges, positive charge and negative charge, so which positive negative charge, it becomes neutral. So this is positive and negative possess when it possesses at a time or at a particular time, which is zwitterion. Now zwitterion are distinct from molecules that have dipole at a different locations within the molecule. Zwitterion sometimes called as inner salt means they have shown the one example like NH2, where NH2 which possess positive charge and COH carboxylic acid group which possess negative charge. They have shown in the this particular reaction. Some equilibrium are there, how the zwitterion actually how it looks, where both charges possess in the one particular compound, which is zwitterion concept, which mostly applicable for the amino acids. You keep in mind. Now let's start the important reaction of benzoic acid. Or benzoic acid is nothing but the example of aromatic acid. Benzoic acid means benzene ring is attached with COOH acidic, that is carboxylic acidic functional group. Now acid chloride formation means from the benzoic acid, how we will convert this benzoic acid into acid chloride formation. Look at the screen. Carboxylic acid are converted to acid chloride by a range of reagent, that is SOCl2 Cl2 means thionyl chloride, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, PCl3 phosphorus trichloride. Other products are HCl sulfur dioxide, HCl POCl3, that is phosphorus oxy trichloride, and H3PO3, that is phosphoric acids respectively. The condition must be dry, as water will hydrolyze the acid chloride in a vigorous reaction. So hydrolysis form the original carboxylic acid. So at the time of performing this reaction, that is conversion of benzoic acid into acid chloride. So the condition or flask where in which you are performing the reaction, that must be dry or free from any moisture. Okay, now first see the reaction. CH3COH, they have given other example other than aromatic acid, that is CH3COH is aliphatic acid. In this, when aliphatic acid, that is acetic acid CH3COH, when reacted with SOCl2 thionyl chloride, it gives CH3COCl. Okay, it gives acetyl chloride. Then a byproduct will be HCl plus sulfur dioxide. Then what is the next example? Next example is C6H5COH is your benzoic acid when is reacting with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, which gives that is benzoyl chloride C6H5COCl. Means here simply OH group is replaced with your chloride group, chlorine group. Okay, Cl. Then what is the byproduct? HCl plus phosphorus oxytrichloride, POCl3. Now what is the next example? Next example is when CS3CH2COH, that is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, 3 molecule of ethanoic acid is reacting with phosphorus trichloride. It gives you 3 molecule of ethanoyl chloride, and byproduct will be phosphoric acid. This is the reaction or how to convert. This is reaction, important reactions of benzoic acid or aromatic acid. Okay, now means acid chloride formation from aromatic acid, that is benzoic acid. This is first reaction. Understood? Now what is the next? Next is the esterification. Okay, how to undergo the esterification with the help of this acid. In this, alcohol will react with acid chlorides or carboxylic acids to form esters. This reaction is catalyzed by acidic or basic condition. Here example is given here, C6H5COCl means when from the benzoic acid it converted into benzoyl chloride. That benzoyl chloride when reacting with alcohol CH3CH2OH ethanol, then what will be the product? Here simply Cl is goes out. Cl means HCl, H from ethanol and Cl from this benzoyl chloride, which remove and it get combined to form HCl, and other product get attached or they can combine to form this intermediate, this ester. This is the esterification process. In the esterification process, when your benzoyl chloride is reacting with alcohol, or sometimes instead of benzoyl chloride we have to use acids. Okay, now with carboxylic acid, the condensation reaction is an unfavorable equilibrium promoted by using non-aqueous solvent, if any, and a dehydrating agent such as sulfuric acid catalyzing the reactions. Means for the carboxylic acid purpose we have to use non-aqueous solvent. Non-aqueous means always water, alcohol, likewise. Non-aqueous means mostly hydrophobic or fat loving. Likewise here ethanoic acid when reacting with ethanoic acid plus propanol, here H2A get formed and propyl ethionate means here this is ester ethionate. How to nomenclature or how to give the name by IUPAC to ester, it will be ethionate means OATE is the ending name of any ester. So here propyl ethionate is the product. Then amide, how to undergo the amide, how to prepare the amides from the acids. Means from the acid we can prepare acid chlorides, from the acid we can prepare ester. From the acid we can prepare the amides. Now amides, how to prepare the amide? Conceptually, an amide is formed by reacting an acid, an electrophile with a amine compound, a nucleophile releasing water. Means which is here electrophile? Acid is a electrophile and amine group is a nucleophile. Now RCOH plus RNH2 means carboxylic acid when reacting with amine, it gives you amide and release of water. However, the acid-base reaction is much faster, which yields the non-electrophilic carboxylate and the non-nucleophilic ammonia, and no further reaction take place. Here, to get around this, a variety of coupling reagents have been developed. Then first react with the acid or carboxylate to form an active acyl compound, which is basic enough. Means simply you just keep in mind how to form the amide. Simply you have to react. You have to undergoes the reaction between carboxylic acid or acid plus amine. When acid plus amine it get reacting, it will gives you product as a amide. Now acid decarboxylation. How means after acid decarboxylation, what will be the product? Product will be the alkane. Means after acid decarboxylation, if the decarboxylate the COH group, then you will get the alkane as a product. Means on heating with soda lime means NaOH plus calcium oxide solid mix, then carboxylic acid lose their COH group and produce a small alkane plus sodium carbonate. Means when the acid is react with in presence of soda lime, that is sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, you will get the alkane as a product and sodium carbonate as a byproduct and water. Then distinguishing carboxylic acid from phenol. Okay, although carboxylic acid are acidic, they can be distinguished from phenol because only carboxylic acid will react with carbonate and hydrocarbonate to form CO2. Here, when your benzoic acid is reacting with sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3 bicarbonate, here H because H is present in between that, so you will get the acetate, that is sodium acetate. Here simply one hydrogen is replaced with sodium ion, so we will get the acetate. Now preparation reaction of aromatic acid. So far we had seen the reactions of or from the carboxylic acid, which type of compounds we can form or which type of compound we can synthesize. Okay, and now we will see the preparation reactions for the aromatic acid. So don't confuse between these both. First of all, we have seen that from carboxylic acid or from aromatic acid, which type of compound we have to prepare. Now the reactions for the aromatic acids, means which type of reaction aromatic acid can undergo. Now first of all, preparation of aromatic acid, in that first oxidation of benzyl chloride. Here starting product is a benzyl chloride in the is reacting with H2O, then you will get the simply Cl is replaced with OH, that is CH2OH, then KMnO4 that is potassium permanganate, which always act as a oxidizing agent. We will get the benzoic acid. Means from the benzyl chloride we have to convert into benzyl chloride to benzoic acid. In between we have to benzyl chloride, firstly he is reacting with H2O, that is hydrolysis, then here chlorine group is converted into OH, CH2OH, then we have to use KMnO4 as a catalyst which act as a oxidizing agent, which undergoes the oxidizing reactions, oxidation, and it will get converted into the COH functional group, that is you will get the benzoic acid. First of all, oxidation of benzyl chloride. From oxidation of benzyl chloride you will get the benzoic acid. Then what is the next? Next is the reaction of phenyl magnesium bromide with carbon dioxide. Here phenyl magnesium bromide, how it looks you can see in the screen. phenyl magnesium bromide. Here simply benzene is attached with MgBr, phenyl magnesium bromide. When reacted with carbon dioxide as a gas, then you will get the magnesium benzoate bromide, that is benzene with COO minus, which is intermediate product. Then hydrolysis of this particular magnesium benzoate bromide, you will get the benzoic acid. This is the second reaction from the means you can obtain benzoic acid from the phenyl magnesium bromide. Then you should keep in mind that which type of catalyst, which type of intermediate they have to used to formation of the last product, that is benzoic acid. You must try yourself, you must practice the different reaction, you must remember the titles of this particular synthesis or preparation reactions. Okay, now what's the next? Acid hydrolysis of benzonitrile. If we have to perform, or we have to undergo the acid hydrolysis of benzonitrile, that is benzonitrile, how it looks, benzene is attached with CN, cyanide group. Then in the presence of H2O, you will get the benzoic acid. Acid hydrolysis, H2O, addition of water is hydrolysis, means here acid hydrolysis. Now what is the next? Basic hydrolysis of benzotrichloride. Now toluene. First, what is the starting product? Toluene. Toluene means benzene attached with methyl group. CH3 is attached with benzene. It nothing but the toluene. Toluene first is react with chlorine, 3 molecule of chlorine. Then you will get the CCl, carbon tetrachloride, benzo trichloride. Tetrachloride, not tetrachloride. This is benzo trichloride, CCl3, benzo trichloride, which is intermediate. Then it again reacting with NOH. In presence of NOH and H2O, we will get the sodium acetate, that is benzoate, sodium benzoate. Then in the presence of H plus means acid hydrolysis. H plus plus H2O means acid hydrolysis, we will get the benzoic acid. This is fourth reaction. Then what is the fifth? Hydrolysis of phenyl benzoate. This is phenyl benzoate structure. How it looks, you can see in your screen how it looks. Phenyl is attached with COOS, functional group. COO means is nothing but the ester. Phenyl benzoate is reacting with H2O, hydrolysis occurs. Then here you will get the benzoic acid and mixture of phenyl and benzoic acid we can get. Okay, this is hydrolysis of phenyl benzoate. This is the different reaction. For today's lecture we have seen the preparation reaction for this acids and different reactions of acid, means which type of reaction this acid can undergoes. Firstly we have seen the reaction, which type of reaction this aromatic acid can easily undergoes. First, acid chloride formation from this acid. Then esterification, means from aromatic acid we can prepare the different ester. We can prepare the different amide by using the aromatic acid. We can prepare the different alkane. We can prepare the different acetate like sodium acetate and all. These are the different reaction aromatic acid can undergoes, okay, easily. Now then we have seen like how, from which starting material or from which compound we can prepare the aromatic acid. Like firstly we have seen oxidation of benzyl chloride. From benzyl chloride we can prepare the benzoic acid. Then we have seen like phenyl magnesium bromide. From phenyl magnesium bromide we have prepared benzoic acid. Then we have prepared acid hydrolysis of benzonitrile. From if we have undergoes the acid hydrolysis of benzonitrile, it can be easily converted into benzoic acid. From toluene, basic hydrolysis of benz trichloride, we can prepare the aromatic acid, that is benzoic acid. Then hydrolysis of phenyl benzoate. If we have performed the hydrolysis of phenyl benzoate, then we can get the benzoic acid and phenol. These are the different reactions, preparation reaction and reactions of the aromatic acid or benzoic acid.